How to get rid of warts naturally. Warts are caused by the HPV virus, and they can appear on people of every age and on any body part, such as on your face, your feet, around your groin area, or on your hands. Warts are transmitted through skin-to-wart contact. Normally, children have them more, since they tend to touch warts more. However, it's important to remember that the virus in the warts can only be passed to another person through a wound, such as a scratch or an ingrown nail. In today's video, we are going to show you the best natural remedies to eliminate warts. 1. Castor oil and baking soda. The combination of castor oil and baking soda is both antimicrobial and antiviral, and is very useful in eliminating uncomfortable warts. Its direct application controls the infection and keeps it from spreading to other parts of the body. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of castor oil. Instructions: moisten the baking soda with the castor oil and massage the solution into the area around your warts. Let it sit for 30 minutes, then rinse it off. Repeat this treatment 3 times a day, every day, until you are cured. 2. Onion and lemon juice. Onion, when combined with lemon, helps balance your skin's pH levels. It also has antiviral and antibacterial properties that fight off warts. Ingredients: 3 spoonfuls of onion juice, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Instructions: mix the onion juice with the fresh lemon juice and dab it onto your wart using a piece of cotton. If you want to, wrap it to allow it to treat the wart overnight. 3. Aloe vera and honey. In addition to its skin benefits, aloe vera is also great at fighting warts. Its antiviral, hydrating and anti-inflammatory effects help get rid of these small tumors, as well as improve your skin's appearance. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of honey. Instructions: mix these 2 ingredients until they form a thick paste. Moisten a piece of cotton with the solution and dab it onto the wart. Let it sit. Repeat this treatment 3 times a day. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.